A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It's Surah Al-Araf, verse number 27. Allah says, O children of Adam, let not Satan deceive you in the manner he deceived your parents out of paradise, pulling off from them their clothing to reveal to them their shame. He and his host surely see you from where you do not see them. We have made Satans the guardians of those who do not believe. So here Allah is talking about Shaytan and what is his plan for you people, for the believers. His plan is simple, to deceive you, and here he deceives you by making you immoral, by making the society degenerate. And how Shaytan spreads degeneracy is that when you're on your social media page, when you're scrolling, there comes an ad, and the weak people among the believers, they get stuck on that, they stop scrolling and they'll get involved in that. So these are the secret weapons of Shaitan and his followers. Allah is talking about his followers, particularly in this verse, that they are creating these plans for you so that you get stuck on these things and forget everything what Allah says in the Quran. When you are stuck in these things, in degeneracy, your soul now is trapped. Now the followers of the Shaitan know that you are not able of resistance. Now your religion is gone. You cannot stand up and resist their culture, their laws, their rules. That's why we see today that followers of Shaitan are so busy in making the society degenerate by making sexual content easily available even for kids. And they are simply targeting your kids because your kids are your next generation. They want your kids to be degenerate so that your future generation is also involved in immorality. After our children, they target our sisters. In fact, they are more busy in targeting our sisters. They target our sisters by making them believe that hijab is not necessary for them. And this is how they are spreading immorality among our sisters. So if you have decided to wear hijab this Ramadan, then continue to do so your whole life. Do not remove your hijab after Ramadan. This is what some of our sisters do. They will do hijab in Ramadan and after that they will remove it. Do not fall into this trap of Shaitan. The followers of Shaitan want you to follow their culture and they want you to stay away from what Allah wants in this society for you. When Allah says that Shaitan sees you and his followers see you, they know everything about you, but you have no idea about it. This is what Allah is talking about. He's awareing you that you think that your hijab is not important, but Shaitan and his followers know that how important is this hijab. That's why they are constantly targeting this. So inshallah this Ramadan we will work on our weaknesses and will upgrade ourselves to higher levels and will submit ourselves to Allah.